Yeah, Emerson. Yeah, here at Heathrow for the 4-day course on BRR lease options. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, it's really, really good. I did the crash course about a month ago. I did 2 crash courses. Did one, went back for the rent-to-rent crash course, and then paid to come on for this one, kind of as soon as possible, just to get more in depth, learning about the strategies. I've kind of got strategies in mind, but knowing about different things that I just wouldn't have known at all. So yeah, so Samuel's great. He's great on stage. I've got a call with a mentor tomorrow, so I haven't had a chance to sit with mentors yet. But yeah, I've got a call tomorrow, so I'm looking for. No, not tomorrow. Sorry, it's in about an hour. So I'm looking forward to sitting down and actually just going through a few more bits that I didn't want to shout out questions in the crowd. So it should be interesting. Yeah. I've not seen people land deals. I've not personally. No, I've not talked to anyone that's actually got anything going. I've got a few viewings next week that I booked on today, so look forward to that. Yeah, it's really motivating. Being around I met someone yesterday who's got 5 rents, and he's financially free now. So it's motivating to be around to be around like-minded people that are doing it. It's just it's possible. So yeah.